Hey, and welcome back to this. This is the last video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update your static pages. These pages are like your home page, your about page, about us page, and your contacts page. So a static page is a page that doesn't auto-update. So these pages you have to update yourself. These aren't like a blog post or like a portfolio we're creating. So you simply go to your pages section, and then you can see that we have the about us page, the home page, and the contact us page. We also have privacy policy and some other legal pages that we have. Those pages are pretty much set up, so unless you want to update your privacy policy or terms of service, you don't need to worry about those. But the About Us page is kind of important. So you click the edit, and right here you can decide to change what you want to show the world about you. So the About Us page is kind of important. It's letting everyone out there know that you're basically a person, you're not some kind of creep, and you're giving your backstory. You're trying to be very personable so people will like you. So your home page, this is typically the page that people will land on when they type in your website. So this page kind of needs to look professional. So make sure that all the copy on the page, which are the words, make sure that they make you stand out from the competition. And all of these can be changed. And you can see we also have a photo gallery right here, which you can delete or you can add. And again, it's kind of important to have SEO on all these pages. That way, when somebody searches you online, Google will know that they can direct them to this page. And that's pretty much it for updating your pages. Thank you for watching this tutorial.